back with another video. Can you turn it down, please? So we are on our way to a family, what is it, game night, pajama night, color theme night, all that good stuff. So I originally chose gray, but I had to switch to red because I couldn't find nothing in gray. Y'all see my plate of food? I just tore it up. I'm recording on my phone because my camera died. And it's like, how did it die if I wasn't even using it? And I make sure it was charged. So I don't know what's up with that. But anyways, we're on our way to family game night. And we got our matching PJs. Malia trying to open up everything that I bought. So we're going to go. I'm going to charge the camera when we get there. Vlog it on there because the camera, the quality, of course, is not the same on my phone. But it's Christmas Eve. I don't know when I'll upload this video. But I hope everybody has a nice Christmas. And even us, we're not fortunate to give gifts to everyone, but we have to realize it's not always about gifts. And we just happy to be alive. And yeah. So 'tis the season. So we are on our way. And I will see y'all later.
Wow, it went so fast.
You gotta be quick. You gotta be quick. You gotta
No. You got it on low power mode?
Oh, my.
Nah, sucks to be you, buddy. Yeah, that's it, buddy. That's it for him. That's it for you, buddy. Make that noise.
Alright, that's just this meeting now.
Hey. Hey, YouTube.
Alright, question 10.
Malia. Oh, I think I got it wrong. Oh, God. Yeah. Oh, did I do it? I think I did it. They got us, yeah. No. Who got first?
I put green.
Anybody on the scoreboard over here? Any high scores?
Everybody should know this one.
What's the question?
Where you get chicken breast salad?
81st Deli. That's not fair. 81st Deli. Yeah, that's not fair. My auntie is not on social media like that.
I should be. No. I should be in first place. Is G2 mommy out there with her fingers still going?
G2 mommy in the lead.
Hey, put your fingers down.
Okay, BJ, you got
No, Daddy, she can't.
G2.
Now.
Don't drop that.
Okay.
Okay, 16.
Woo! And
Baby boy.
I am so mad. I think I got that one wrong.
Hi, this is Yvonne.
Oh.
Merry Christmas to you and a Happy New Year and a birthday.
I did.
who was that, Daddy?
On the first
It probably was. I know.
Alright, G2 mommy still leading. BJ is back.
Oh my God, BJ.
5 golden rings, 4 colored breastplates, and 10 2 turtle doves, and a 5
Oh, okay, that one.
in a
You should know that one.
So who's first now?
Anything for my baby. It's 11:40 something at night, and we just left the family function, and she didn't eat nothing. So now I gotta get my baby some McDonald's because I know she gonna eat it. So we are in McDonald's line. It's long as hell. This line is long as hell, but it's fine. I'd rather my baby go to sleep than food in her stomach. Mom, life don't stop. Christmas is in almost 15 minutes, but I guess we'll just open gifts in the morning. I don't know. I also need to go to Walgreens really quick too. But game night was fun, and we didn't take no pictures in our pajamas. We really didn't. But yeah, maybe we'll get pictures tomorrow or something. Y'all, we made it home, but I don't even feel like getting out the car. So, and it's cold, and our heater don't work. So, I guess it's just gonna work itself out. So we sitting here. I'm eating nuggets with my baby, and then we're gonna go in the house, take a shower, and get ready for tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow, and Merry Christmas. McDonald's, y'all, McDonald's, Sprite, top tier. Look, open it, open. Cause you know what I'm about to say? What? Nah, I need something sweet. You better try to go keep it. Oh, I got cinnamon rolls we can eat. Here, look. Open it. Open it. I don't think she did the concert. She just pushed it away. Yeah, because Poppy is here, look. Open it.
Oh, we got a kitchen.
Look, pull it. Get some wine with my black Santa. The kids got stuff everywhere. Mommy, say hi. Peggy, say hi. Peggy. We watching Best Man Holiday. My name is Peggy. See my black Santa. We are manifesting that one Christmas we'll spend it not at home. Yeah, cause she a lightweight. Ma, look at your cup. Come bring it to her.
This is enough wine.
Oh shit. Ma, that's all you need.
I know I'm a lightweight with that. I ain't that bad.
Yeah, you is. Talking about so she wants some cookies.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Cheers. Oh, where your cup? Cheers.
Sound like Malia. Tastes good. Malia was.
Hey y'all, it is the next day after Christmas. I didn't vlog that much yesterday. Opening presents, I was cooking and cleaning up, all that good stuff. Yeah, it's so cold, and it's like it's never been cold on Christmas in like a couple of years. So for it to be cold on Christmas it's different for us. And our heater is broke, so hopefully the heater gets fixed tomorrow. The maintenance guy said that they'll come back tomorrow because there's something wrong with it that he can't fix, so obviously, so we gotta wait till tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be fixed by tomorrow because it's cold. I had to do it the old school way and open up the oven because it's cold, but it doesn't really help because it doesn't go in the whole house. But today I'm just gonna be chilling. I ain't doing nothing much. About to eat some leftovers, feed my daughter some pizza, and then I'm finna chill, relax, edit some videos. So I'll probably make this all like a Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day, and then this clip will be the end. But I hope you guys really enjoyed your Christmas. And Vlogmas is officially over, but your girl's still gonna be. I got pizza under my hands. I'm feeding my daughter pizza, like I said. But yeah, your girl is still gonna be consistent with YouTube, and she found her iPad. But yeah, so I'm still gonna be consistent. I want to thank everybody who's been subscribing and supporting me. It's just been very, very, very shocking for me. Because I've been trying to grow my channel for so long, and I'm just so grateful for that. And that's all I really wanted for, well, that was one of the things that I wanted for Christmas. I didn't want a lot of material things this year because I know I'm not able to reciprocate. But yeah, it's a lot of things that I wanted for Christmas was not material things, and I'm grateful that I'm able to receive some of them. And I'm so excited for YouTube for 2023. And your girl gonna be so consistent. But I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. I'm gonna call this video out right here. And I will see y'all next time. Peace out.